Hi guys, welcome back to Dahi's Kitchen. First of all, I wish you all happy Diwali and prosperous New Year. Right guys, as we are approaching the festive season, and every Diwali it's been a tradition in my family to make Dahi Bhalle, yeah? My father used to make it and I started making it when I was 16. Ever since I've been 16, I've been making it every Diwali. So I'm gonna share a secret recipe with you, and this has been tried and tested all these years. And guys, once you master this, you will be passing on to your kids and your grandkids. So first of all, what I've done here is I've taken moong and urad dal. So basically is equal amount. I've soaked it overnight. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna make it a batter to make our Dahi Bhalle, yeah? So let me show you what we're gonna do. So this has been washed, soaked and washed, right? You must wash it about 3-4 times until the waters come clean, yeah? If you think your batter is getting a little bit thicker, just put some water in it. Right, add water slowly. Look at this guys, when the consistency is like this, look at that. It become really soft, right? So that's your batter's done. The reason why I'm whisking this is because you just need to put some air into it, and more air you put into it, the more softer your bhalle is going to become, and it's going to be really fluffy. I'm just going to put in half a teaspoon of bicarbonate soda, so not too much guys, about this much, right? So with this, your bhalle is going to be really fluffy, and if you feel your batter is really thin, put some besan, right? So besan flour a little bit, just to make it a little bit thicker. So look at that, how fluffy it's becoming. Look at that guys. Yeah? You just gotta keep on whisking it, right, to make it fluffy. Look at that guys, how fluffy it's become now. Look, it's been 10 minutes. Look at that. So now it's really fluffy now, yeah? Look at that. This is the consistency you need, yeah? So all I'm going to do now is, I'm going to give my magic touch to it. I'm just going to put some green crushed chili. I'm going to put ginger. It's 2 or 3 spoons, depends on your batter. And I'm going to put some ajwain in it, right? A pinch of ajwain, right? And mix them well. I'm going to put 1 bowl, a small bowl of besan, just to bind my batter together. Mix it well. So after doing this, that's what we're going to do. There we go. So oil is ready. So what we're going to do is watch how nicely it's been. Look at that, how nice and golden color coming with the green chili on the top. Wow, it's looking really good guys. They're nice and golden. So they're nearly done, so we're going to take them all out. While my bhalle are getting cold, so what we're going to do is let them cool down. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a masala, right? So what we're going to do is, this is jeera. So 3 spoons of jeera, and we're going to put 2 spoons of coriander, and we're just going to put half a spoon of saunf. So I'm not one for too many masala, too many spices. So that's it really, guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to roast these. When you start smelling the aroma of your spices and then it's getting brown, look at that. So that means it's done. Switch off your tawa and let these cool down. While this is cooling down, what we're going to do is we are going to add some salt in our hot water, and we're going to add our bhalle in them. Also what we're going to do is we're going to add a bit of hing in it, yeah? So let's make our yogurt. The yogurt is really thick. So all we have to do is make it thinner by adding some water. I'm going to add sugar and some salt. Some water. Look at this, guys. This is the consistency you need of yogurt. So now these masalas are cooled down. So what we're going to do is we're going to crush them. Hi guys, well, we are ready. Our bhalle are ready, our yogurt are ready, our garnish is ready, our masala are ready, right? So it's time for plating. One thing you must be thinking, I've not made chutneys. Guys, life is too short to make chutney at home, especially on the Diwali day. So what I'm going to do is, I bought these. This is turmeric sauce, which has already been done. Why do I want to do hard work? And I bought this mango and a mint sauce, right? So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to make this chutney for the plating, right? It's too thick. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a bit of warm water just to make it a good consistency, to make it thinner. There you go. That's your mint chutney, the green one, turmeric sauce. The Maggie's done a really good job, so save me a job. So let's make this chutney make it a bit thinner so we can plate it well. There you go. Voila, look at that. Time for plating. Right then guys, the bhalles are ready. Look at that, they're nice and soft. So your green chutney. Wow, look at that. How beautiful it looks. And we're cutting mithi chutney. Wow, look at that, man. I'm so proud of this. Every Diwali I really look forward to make these. Wow. There you go. बन गई ना तुम्हारे शॉप वाली. There you go, हलवाई वाले बल्ले. Put some ginger on the top. Couple of green chilies. Wow. And then garnishes with this masala we made. Wow. Wow. Look at that, guys. And last, we're just gonna put some coriander on it. Wow. There you go. Look at the colors. Amazing. Wow, tasting time, guys. Look at that, how soft they are. When you cut them, look how beautifully softly they cut. Wow. Mmm. Mmm. Amazing. Really nice. You know, I'm not saying because I made them. That's the best bhalle I've ever made. It's so tasty. Wow, guys. Please try to make them at home and share it with your friends on the Diwali day. Bhalle, anybody comes to my house on Diwali day, we always feed them dahi bhalle, yeah? So guys, again, happy Diwali to all of you. Stay safe, spend time with your family, and please like and share my videos if you like it. Thank you. See you soon with new recipes I'm gonna do for you. Thank you. Bye for now.